Well, it's time for another adventure with the Teac reel-to-reel tape recorder. On the last adventure, we went in and discovered why there was noise coming from the heads just when the unit was turned on. It wound up being some bad resistors in the amplifier board that amplifies the signal from the heads before it sends it down to the main stereo amplifier down here. So those were replaced, fixed the noise issue that had been intermittent for a while and finally became more consistent and enough to where I could troubleshoot it and figure out what's going wrong. Now, even after I did that repair, I had a problem with the fast button. This is supposed to latch in, and I discovered that there was a little solenoid back there that latches that button in until you hit the stop button. Now, if that's not working, what happens is when you start moving fast and you release the fast button, the capstan instantly engages while the reels are moving very fast and just snaps the tape. So, bad situation to be in. I also discovered that that was probably that way for many decades, if not from the factory. And I discovered that the little solenoid was bad. It was open. So I figured I wouldn't be able to get another one of those. You know, this thing's, what, 40 years, 50 years old. But I went on eBay, lo and behold, for a reasonable price of about $35. I bought a whole new switch mechanism, which includes, I've already got it disassembled here for the most part, the little solenoid, which is bad. On mine it measures like megohms in resistance, and you see right there that they were nice enough to print right on that it should read 4600 ohms, which is what this one reads. So that one seems to be good, and it's connected properly where mine wasn't. So I will go ahead and tear into this, and I'm not going to replace this whole mechanism, just this part right here. I need to cut those wires, and I will wire that into this one and see if we can get that last little problem with the reel-to-reel, the Teac A4010S. See if we can get that fixed, because that is kind of a, you know, if I forget to hit the stop button, you know, I just snap a tape that I just recorded, and it's very bad. So let's get that fixed. Alright, I pulled the front plate off of the recorder and unbolted the switch mechanism. It just goes right back in there so that I can get access to this little circuit board and solenoid that goes on the back here. So I will unbolt this one, then bolt that one on and wire it up, and hopefully that'll solve my problem of the fast switch not being latched in. Alright, I got the new solenoid. This is the old one. The new one's installed in the switches. Everything's hooked back up again. Now I hit the fast button and it latches in until you hit stop. So this is finally fixed 100%. I don't know that it ever, I don't know if this mechanism ever worked, because it was wired wrong when I first took a look at this problem. But anyway, with the new parts, you know, my fast forward is latching in properly, no more static noise on the amplifier, so the old Teac A4010S is now 100%. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.